The Monetary Policy Committee met on 8th, 9th and 10th of August. After detailed deliberation on all relevant aspects, the Monetary Policy Committee decided unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6%, 6.5%. It's 6.5%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, that is SDF rate, remains at 6.25%, and the marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate, and the bank rate stand at 6.75%. The MPC also decided by a majority of 5 out of 6 members to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns with the target while supporting growth.